We may think a drop of water is absolutely nothing. A mere drop of water, totally insignificant. However, when this drop of water persistently keeps falling on a surface, it changes the surface. Dripping water hollows out stone not through force but through persistence. Endure and persist. This pain will soon turn into good by and by. Habits finally change into a character. These days, we all want results very quickly and we want them right now. However, we forget that results often take time to show. For example, if you were to go to gym today, work very hard, come back and look into the mirror, what would you see? Indeed, absolutely nothing. And if you were to go to the gym the next day and you come back and look into the mirror, again, what do we see? Absolutely nothing. This goes on from a couple of days to possibly a couple of weeks. We see nothing, no results, and finally we quit. A quick question, but was working out really a waste of time? Absolutely no. It is just that the results never seem to come quickly enough for us, and that's why we give up. Small daily action leads to massive results. Dripping water can dig a hole in a rock. The decision to do once will not change much. Even doing it 2 or 3 times would not make any difference. Doesn't really do anything. It is the decision and the action of doing it consistently that allows great change to occur. Even one drop of water every couple of minutes on a stone will eventually pierce a hole through the stone. But a bucket of water on a stone all at once will not do anything. So if you're looking to make a substantial change in your life in terms of your studies, your marks, your health, your relationship, your finances, your career, then this one action will do nothing. It's all about a decision to create consistent work and follow through on a daily, on a regular basis. Do it over and over again and finally the change happens. A person was striking a large boulder with a hammer with the intention to break it into 2. He started striking it again and again, did a couple of tens, then turned into 50s, then into 100 blows, and finally the boulder broke into 2. So here's my question for you. Which strike actually broke the boulder in 2? Was it the final strike? Or was it every single strike that mounted up, that amounted to finally breaking the boulder? Go down to the comment section below. With your email ID, give us your answer and we have a special gift for you.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number 1 in studies and number 1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website www.superbhumans.com. Thank you so much.